Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, it has been mentioned in the question that the sum of two numbers is 76.534. Now one of the numbers is given as 36.645, so we have to find the other number. So let the required number be x. Now according to the question, x plus 36.645 is equal 76.534. So x will be equal 76.534 minus of 36.645. So let's carry out the calculation over here. So 76.534 minus of 36.645. Now 5 is greater than 4, so we have to convert 4 into 14, and thus we have 1 as a carry. So 14 minus 5 will give us 9. We have 1 as a carry, so add that to 4, so we will have 5. Again 5 is greater than 3, so we have to convert 3 to 13. So 13 minus 5 will be equals 8. Again we have 1 as a carry, so add that to 6, so we will have 7. Again 15 minus 7 will give us 8. Again we have 1 as a carry, so add that to 7. 6 minus 7 will give us 9. We have 1 as a carry, so add that to 3. So 3 plus 1 will become 4, and 7 minus 4 will be 3. And the decimal is 2 places from the left side, so we will have 39.889 as our required final answer. Therefore x will be equals 39.889, and thus this will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.